Here we are right where we left off last time, using Hydrogen Drum Machine in Linux, free and open source. Last time I showed you most of the features that are available in the pattern editor here, but let's say you don't like the drum kit, which is the set of drums that you have here by default. You can go up here to View, and you can go down to Drum Kit Manager, which is also Alt-D as a shortcut for that. And you have a list of different drum kits you can choose from. A lot of these are very standard. We'll use this Yamaha vintage kit here. I'll click load. You can see how that sounds. We got techno one here. So we're playing the same pattern, just changing the drum set that you're playing them on. So now, also, you may open up this and only see a few drum kits, not as many as me. I'll tell you why. When you install Hydrogen with your package manager, I'm using Synaptic as an example because it's probably the most commonly used. You can type in Hydrogen on your quick search here, under regular search, and you probably installed Hydrogen by clicking it here and clicking install, but you'll also notice that there's another package called Hydrogen Drum Kits. Right there. Install that too, and that will install all these other drum kits. So that is how you change your drum kits. You can also create your own, import and export them. We'll get into that in future tutorials. Let's go to this vintage Yamaha one. I don't know which one I like. Oh, techno one. Oh, I like that one. Okay. So that's your drum kit manager, and that's how you choose a different drum kit. I don't want to go too long on this tutorial, so I'll quickly show you what's going on down at the bottom of the screen here. So down at the bottom of the screen, right here, you have your time that you've been playing. You got your play, stop, rewind, pause, and loop option here. You have your song and pattern mode, and we'll get into this in the future, but this is your pattern loop, and then you can use this song editor over here to create different tracks and play different loops at different sorts. And basically this little option down here, when it's in pattern mode, it plays just the pattern you have selected. When you have song mode selected, which will be lit up there, you change it by clicking this mode button here, it will play the entire song, so it will play through the entire track. And then over here you have your beats per minute, which you can increase to make faster. You can click on it and type in a number, or you should be able to hit this plus and minus button here, so hold it down. You'll see we can start going faster and faster and faster and faster. And you can also go the other way. We'll set this down to 60, which is half of what we started at. 120 is the default. Most music applications seem to use 120 as default speed. There are some exceptions. LMMS Studios uses 140, and Jackbeat uses 100. So remember, whatever you choose in one program, if you were to export this loop, remember to set it to the beats per minute that your project's in. So that's looking at how to change your drum kit with your drum kit manager, and a little bit on your little control panel down here at the bottom. This is Hydrogen Drum Machine, once again free, open source, and available in Linux. Visit filmsbychris.com for more video tutorials like this.